Have you been trying all the popular and viral skincare products on the internet, yet seeing no improvements in your skin? Do you feel like you're wasting your money on skincare? If the answer is yes, this video is just for you. Today I'm gonna share some amazing tips and tricks to customize your skincare routine according to your own unique skin, featuring only Korean products. Because from my experience, if you're feeling lost in skincare, then Korean products are great to start with. So let's begin. When you browse the internet and see all these people with amazingly filtered skin, with no pores, no wrinkles, and no texture, it's easy to feel self-conscious and wonder why your skin doesn't look like that. But our skin is a living organ, and just like the rest of the body, skin needs constant maintenance too. My skin, just like yours, has good and bad days, and it starts to act up if I don't take good care of it. So today I'm going to share with you a simple yet effective skincare routine. This has always helped me to calm my skin down, get back on track, and if you follow these tips and routine consistently, I believe you'll see visible improvements in your skin. Cleansing. The first step in the skincare routine is cleansing. But since I have dry skin, I do not use any face wash in the morning. At night, I start melting my makeup and sunscreen with the Anua Heart Leaf Cleansing Oil Mild, because oil cleansers are great for cleansing your skin easily and effectively, and particularly this oil is very lightweight. And I don't need to put any extra pressure on my skin. It removes even the heaviest makeup from my skin very fast and washes off very well. Doesn't make my skin feel tight or stripped afterwards, and the heart leaf extract in it prevent my irritation to the skin. If you have oily skin and don't like the feeling of oil on your face, you may try this one, or the Beauty of Joseon Cleansing Balm as well. It's one of my most favorite cleansing balms ever. You can skip this whole double cleansing process if you're not wearing any makeup or sunscreen, and move on to the next product directly, which is face wash. I prefer gentle face washes like Beauty of Joseon Green Palm Refreshing Cleanser. It's a gel cleanser but foams pretty easily. It's very hydrating despite having a gel texture. My skin feels pretty moisturized with no tight feeling whatsoever. But if you have oily to combination skin, this cleanser might be too gentle for you. So you might try the Ionic Centella Bubble Foaming Cleanser or Skin 1004 Madagascar Centella Triashika BHA Foam Cleanser. Since I have dry skin, I only use face wash at night. But if you have super oily skin, you may use a cleanser in the morning too. But never cleanse your face more than twice a day. Hydrating Toner. After cleansing, I focus on hydration. At night, I use this I'm From Rice toner. I have a full review on this toner with before and after pictures showing how it made a difference to my skin. So do check it out. I use multiple layers of this toner because a single layer doesn't feel enough for my dry skin. I'm From uses high quality native Oriza rice from South Korea for this product. It's very soothing and suitable for sensitive skin. It also has niacinamide, which brings the antioxidant and brightening benefits for my skin. Although I would say keep your expectations realistic in this aspect because you're not going to see any result overnight. The main reason I use this is because it makes my skin hydrated and healthy over time. If you have super oily skin and you want more soothing option, then you can try the Anua Heart Leaf Toner. In the morning, I use a different toner. After washing my face with water, I use this Beauty of Joseon Ginseng Hydrating Toner while my face is still damp. It contains 80% ginseng water, niacinamide, and hyaluronic acid. I apply one layer of it because don't find too much layering comfortable while going outside. I prefer using toner with my hands because cotton pads feel wasteful. But if you want to use cotton pads, make sure the pads are soaked completely with toner to avoid irritation to the skin. Treatment serum. When it comes to choosing your serum, instead of focusing on the reviews on the internet, listen to your skin. What your skin needs most right now? Is it winter now and your skin needs more hydration? It's summertime and you want to focus on your hyperpigmentation. Is your skin very irritated and you need barrier support ingredients? Or if you have acne and you need to focus on it, first of all, find your answer for these questions. Target one skin problem at a time instead of trying to solve all issues at once, because that's not going to work. You need to take your age, weather, environment, lifestyle factors into consideration. For example, when my skin barrier is impaired and I'm getting pimples, I use this Beauty of Joseon Glow Serum with propolis and niacinamide. My skin is dry and I don't really get full face breakouts. But even if you have oily and acne-prone skin, this can be a great serum to incorporate into your routine. Propolis is great for acne-prone skin. It's soothing, non-irritating, and hydrating. Niacinamide helps with controlling the oil. The serum is slightly heavy, but I like it. I skip the two toners I mentioned before when I use this serum, as both the toners also contain niacinamide and I don't want to overload my skin with a single ingredient. When my skin has come down and I can see couple of marks left by my pimples, I use this Anwa Niacinamide 10% plus TXA 4% dark spot correcting serum. As the name suggests, this product helps with dark spots. It contains 10% niacinamide and 4% tranexamic acid, also has 2% arbutin and ascorbic acid aka vitamin C. All of these ingredients target dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and uneven skin tone. I have a full review of this product in this video. Do follow the usage instruction carefully. For example, when I first used it, I applied 1 or 2 drops to only those areas of my skin where there were acne spots once every day. After a whole week, I slowly increased the area of applying it. After week 2, I used it on my whole face. This is a very effective product for fading pimple marks and hyperpigmentation. Moisturizer. Moisturizer is something no one should skip no matter what your skin type is. If you have oily skin, you may skip the moisturizer in the morning if the other products that you're using are hydrating or moisturizing enough. But it's essential to use moisturizer at night to seal all the other products that you're applying. For dry recombination skin, my favorite moisturizer is the Beauty of Joseon Dynasty Cream. It's a beautiful formula with luxurious texture. I also love the Cosrx Nail 92 All-in-One Cream. If you have super oily skin, you can try the Cosrx Nail 1 or Ionic Centella Calming Gel Cream. Lastly, the sunscreen. That is for the daytime, of course. If it's summer and it's too hot or humid outside, sometimes I skip my moisturizer and go straight to the sunscreen. I have 3 sunscreen suggestions for different skin types. If you have super dry skin, then the Beauty of Joseon Relief Sun Rice Plus Probiotic Sunscreen is a very good choice. If you have combination skin, then you can try the Anua Heartleaf Sun Serum. And if you have combination skin, then you should try Skin 1004 Madagascar Sunscreen. I should mention that I'm currently using retinol, but I didn't include that in today's video because I wanted to keep this routine simple and beginner friendly. But if you're not a beginner and you want to know how to use a retinol, then I have a full video on my channel. But if my skin is irritated and I want to give it a break from the retinol, this is the routine I follow myself. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. This will really help grow my channel. Until then, take care of yourself. Do not forget to love the skin you're in. This is Diba signing off today from Diba's Quest.